Hello, here I have Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus and let me show you how to check warranty on the following device. In the very beginning, you need to check your email number, so let me show you how to check it by using a secret code. Let's start by pressing a power key and unlock the screen. Let's open the phone's dialer and use the secret code *#06#. Now you can see email number on the following device. Then you need to open email.info website. When you are here, just enter your email number to the empty bracket. I have already copied. Go for a captcha protection. And click on check. Now you can see whole specification about your Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Then if you want to check warranty, you should choose check serial number warranty carrier. Click again at check. And wait 10 seconds while your order is processing. There you go. As you can see, here you can check warranty valid, estimate warranty end date, and warranty time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.